Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete messages on Redmi A5. So to delete messages on Redmi A5, you should just go to the messages icon on the bottom of the screen. And after that, go to the message that you want to delete. Long press on it, and after that, as you can see, there is a recycle bin icon that appeared on the top right of the screen. You have just to click on it, and after that, you will see this window, delete this conversation. If you want to delete the conversation, you have just to click on delete again, and like that, you will delete the message from your Redmi A5. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.